والآن دعونا نستمع إلى انطباعات الفائزين مناصفة بجائزة اليونسكو السلطان قابوس لحماية البيئة لعام 2013 في نسختها 12. وندعو الدكتور آدم وازياك ممثل الإدارة الوطنية لحماية الغابات ببولندا الفائزة بالجائزة.
Agora, passamos a palavra aos vencedores da 12ª edição do Prêmio UNESCO Sultan Qaboos para a Preservação Ambiental. Chamamos primeiramente o Dr. Adam Wasiak, do State National Forest Holding da Polônia. Would you join us on stage, Dr. Wasiak?
Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank Her Excellency Minister Dr. Madiha bint Ahmed Al-Shaibaniya and His Excellency Ambassador Dr. Musa bin Jafar bin Hassan for an invitation to this extraordinary event and exhibition. I consider this a great honor, not only for me, but for the whole organization that I present, the Polish State Forests. Also, I would be most grateful if Your Excellencies could accept and pass best wishes and kind regards from all Polish foresters to His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said. So a week passed since this day. Thanks to this occasion, our sincere wishes can be delivered in person. I'm excited myself to be here and to learn more about the Sultanate of Oman. Its fascinating history, cultural heritage, and breathtaking landscapes. From the point of view of Polish forester, even so one could say we have not much in common in this field, I'm keen on finding out more about unique frankincense trees, a source of Oman iconic and natural wealth, so important for the trade in the ancient and medieval world. I know that besides the historical frankincense trail in Oman being a UNESCO World Heritage Site, there are still many plantations of these trees as incense, and its byproducts are a vital part of the country's culture and image. I am glad that relations between our countries have been strengthening in recent years. There is even a small but well-organized Polish community in Oman. Last year, a Polish delegation of businessmen, academics, and archaeologists, guided by the chairman of the Senate, visited the Sultanate, signing crucial mutual agreement on cooperation in various areas. I hope further steps will follow, allowing our nations to get to know each other better. I would like to thank you once more for awarding Poland's state forests the most valuable prize. I hope that our experiences of almost 90 years of managing forests can be inspiring for others involved in environmental protection and developing new ways of coexistence of man and nature. Today in Poland, we manage forests according to the principles of universal protection, maintaining their permanence and augmentation of its resources. This aim is pursued through sustainable forest management, taking into account not only economic but also protective and social, cultural aspects. We take care of 1/3 of the total country area. This makes us the largest organization of this kind in Europe. Being in this special place, we cannot forget that the transformation of forest management rules instigated by 1992 Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro was a milestone in perception of forests both by practitioners and society. Now we mean forests as priceless natural treasures, but also as our natural capital. Contemporary sustainable management of Poland's forests is indispensably linked with rational economy towards increasing productivity on the one hand, and on the other, with shaping relationships between man and forest. We finance all kinds of activities connected not only with forest cultivation, but also with education, tourism, and especially its protection. Polish forests now are in better condition than a century ago, and there are more of them. Thousands of trail and tourist places in forests are visited every year by millions of people. It seems to me that there could hardly be a more important task than safeguarding our forests. And it is my hope that the urgency of ensuring the sustainability of the years and decades ahead will be fully recognized around the world. We have a responsibility to protect the rights of generations. If anyone asks Polish foresters if it is possible for a man to manage forests in a responsibility way, to reconcile interests of nature and modern society, we know we may on behalf of Polish foresters say, yes, we believe we do it every day. Thus, once again, I would like to express my gratitude to UNESCO and the founder of this prize. I trust that it will make our motivation even stronger and become one of the most measurable results of our contribution to the protection of nature and landscape in a global scale. Let me end by expressing my gratitude and best wishes to all who have contributed this ceremony. I believe it becomes a great success, allowing many people to gain better heritage, get the culture and Oman. Thank you very much.